guys, so right now I am in Arlington, Dallas, Texas, and I am here in my hotel room. I am here for a conference, and I decided that I am going to do a video for all of you all. I'm going to do a video for all of you because it's a beautiful hotel that I got, and how would I not be able to share? I want to be able to share with you so you know exactly that anytime you come to Dallas, you are able to, if you're looking for a hotel, this is one of the best ones. They have amazing reviews out there, and I'm going to be including my reviews, so it's going to be amazing reviews. So once again, this is Little Miss Travelers. The family is not with me today. This is solo dolo. So go ahead and keep watching. I'm going to show you around the whole room that I got. I got a single room, but they upgraded me to the 8th floor with amazing views. I'm going to be showing you all that. So stay tuned. Don't go nowhere. Good morning. How are ya? It's not time for me to check in yet, but so Miss Courtney just made my day. Hi, Courtney. She just made my day because you know what? Check-in time is usually 4 o'clock, but she's able to upgrade me and then check me in. Right now it's like 10:30ish, so I'm excited. This is gonna be a great week. And look at this place. You guys are in for a treat, okay? All right, I'll be sharing more after I check in. So I'm gonna be on the 8th floor. Oh, look at these pictures. In room 814. She said it has the best views ever. So get ready, let's see. I'm walking to my room all by myself. No family today. Conference. I believe this is 814. This is 813. And maybe 814 will be over here. This is my room. 814 today. So let's check it out.